2, 1, drop it.
We're on our way to Warner Brothers Studios. We stopped against Starbucks and she gets the double smoked bacon without cheese and they put cheese. It says no video cameras allowed. No, we're getting you in there. Okay, you just gotta be discreet, lay low, be chill. We're in the front. Wait, we
I'm gonna collect your cards, guys. Pass me your H's.
We're in the front of the car.
Whatever happened to predictability?
Fuller's house?
That is Fuller House. Yes, it sure is.
Haha.
Cause two can keep a secret if one of them is dead.
Pretty Little Liars, Rosewood. This is like where they filmed the last scene of Pretty Little Liars.
Gilmore Girls, that's Kim's Antiques right there. And that was also used in one episode of Friends. Remember the flashback to prom? They did that right there. There's a small little patch of grass that was also used on Friends. They call this Central Park.
Come on, let's start running, let's go!
That's the da-na-na-na-na-na-na Batman. He went up those stairs to give a message to the commissioner.
I don't know if you can touch it. Right now we're in, I don't even know what this is, but it's like the DC stuff. This is Batman. It's so cool in here. Oh my gosh. Oh look, you can take a picture with Wonder Woman.
That's not Wonder Woman.
No, over there on the thing.
His head by an angry ex-girlfriend. Did you guys see that one?
Yeah.
I've never had such a healthy breakup.
You suck!
Now apparently the director had the perfect shot after the first 2 water balloons, but they made the actor David Schwimmer do that scene 18 times for 18 water balloons.
That's
because
funny.
he did something to upset the director that day, okay? Inside stage 25, that's the home of the show The Big Bang Theory, okay? They've done 11 seasons there so far. They're currently getting ready for their 12th season, okay? That might be their final season. They're kind Now, here we are. This is our talk show format here. This is the Ellen show. This is kind of a backstage area that she calls.
Fine, you have to tell a joke. Do you want to hear a joke about pizza? Yeah.
Yes.
Never mind. Why?
Too cheesy.
Good one. Shout out to my fans.
What the future holds, right? On the next episode, and at the start of the mill, we do have some production offices here on the right, as well as our payroll department on the left, which is also very important. But the majority of this place is used for construction of sets and set pieces and props. Okay, this is George the Gorilla from a movie called Rampage starring Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. I've been doing it like this in here since the 1930s, okay? This was really the first of its kind to be a one-stop shop for movie making. This was the first place where you could build a set and then carry that set just yards away to one of our sound stages.
Yeah, right.
I feel like these things aren't really real.
Yeah.
So I thought it was like real stuff.
Like a real cafe or something.
They really have a good editor and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I learned so much from it.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. We're on the set of Friends right now. We're gonna make our debut as actresses.
Or just actress and the dancer.
We're hoping in 13 minutes they're doing a recording, a fake recording, and we're hoping that we get to be two of the main characters. Serving some coffee.
I like for group 8.
Yes, group 8.
He's going to be sitting over here, and Monica will be sitting right over here. So, Peter, act like you're having small talk at the countertop table. And background, you guys ready back there? Awesome, awesome. Let's do this. Season 9, episode 5, the one with Phoebe's birthday dinner. Take 1, 2 background, and action. So,
she has her Central Park lemonade. How is it?
It's really good.
Yeah? We're at the Central Park Cafe now.
What it?
Got my Central Park coffee.
Dinner, cue background, and action.
Okay, you guys, I couldn't get a reservation for the night of my birthday, so we'll have to do dinner Thursday night instead.
Thursday, that's Halloween.
What? Okay, you guys, I couldn't get a reservation for the night of my birthday, so we'll have to do dinner Thursday night instead.
Thursday? But that's Halloween.
So?
It's just spooky, that's all.
So we just finished at Warner Brothers Studios. It was so much fun. Like, I had a great time, better than I even expected. All the workers were complimenting her on her shirt. If you see the police, Warner Brother, courtesy of me. I'm the one who gave it to her.
Actually, no.
So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, what should they do? Give it a big thumbs up.
And go up to the poll and see if you've ever been to Warner Brothers.
Yeah, comment below if you've ever been to Warner Brothers Studios.
And give this video a big, fat,
Big thumbs up.
if you ever watched Jonathan's house.
Yeah. So we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
This is where the beat drop.
McDonald's fries, when they're fresh, they're so bad for you. So good.